Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start to solder some pins onto this board that we have here. First thing we're going to do is put on some safety glasses. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the soldering iron is set up. Okay, so if we see that the soldering iron is set to 550, and then we're going to make sure the sponge has water on it. Then we're going to make sure that the tip of the soldering iron is shiny. So you see here that it's dull, and we need to make it shiny in order for the heat to transfer correctly and for the solder to flow off the tip of it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to initially just kind of don't hold it like I just did. We're going to put the brass wool down on the board and then kind of drag it back to kind of it'll be a little bit shiny at that point. We're also going to use a little bit of this chemical cleaner, so you're just going to quickly roll it on the chemical cleaner. And then finally, we're going to use this tip tinner. Okay, so we're going to basically roll it into the tip tinner, and it's going to create this kind of shiny tip on the soldering iron. All right, so now the soldering iron is hot at this point. So what we're going to do now is we're going to work on this board. So if you can just come right down here, right. Perfect. Okay, so basically now we're working on this board. I put the soldering iron back into the holder, and I'm going to tear off a piece of solder. So solder is really easy to work with. What you don't want to do is you don't want to touch any of the components. So basically you don't want to get any oil onto the components. And so what I have here is I have a set of pins, like a set of header pins. I'm going to go ahead and put those into the breadboard to hold them steady. I'm going to have something that is not flammable, and also, I mean, they shouldn't be rusty, but they are. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the header pins through the pre-made holes. You'll notice that there's pads. So these metal pads here on the header pins are basically going to accept the solder, and that's how the electrical connection is going to get made. So basically the header pins, the solder connects the header pins to these metal pads, and thereby connecting electrically to the board. Okay. So now we're going to do, we have it kind of set, so basically we're trying to make it as flat as possible. It's not exactly right, but it's kind of close enough. And now we're going to do, notice that the soldering iron only stays good for a few minutes. So basically every time you're going to want to use it, you just, you're going to want to like wipe off the, you're going to want to wipe off the oxidation each time to get it kind of more shiny.